If I die during this process, somebody take care of my dog. What's up, everybody? So we're back. It's now November, so we're done with the skeletons. We're not done with the pumpkins, because I mean, like, look how cute. But we are gonna go back to recipes that are not cocktail formed. So we're just gonna do some fun treats for November. Today we're gonna do a 5-ingredient brownie.
Today we're making a chocolate brownie dish and it's so easy to make.
Oh wait, is it 5? Is it 4 or 5?
Why you asking all these questions?
It's gonna be very easy. Little Oreos, semi-sweet chocolate chips, a little heavy whipping cream, milk, some sprinkles. Oh, and baking powder, which I don't know, I just always like this like little packaging. I think it's so cute. Oh, double stuffed Oreos, 3 cups. Just blend to your heart's content. Ready? Catch! All right, I think this is gonna be a little less than 3 cups. Okay. Oh my God, that smells so good. All right, we always gotta give a little to the homies. I thought this comes out now. Now fuck it. Or, you bleep that out. 1.5, 2.5. Yeah, basically 1 package is 3 cups of Oreos, I think. What? No? Listen to daddy, listen to me. Now you would add your 1.5 cups of milk into your Oreo crumble cereal. 2 teaspoons of baking powder in. Now you mix. Oh. What's your favorite Thanksgiving movie? This is what it should look like. You gotta pour this in your parchment-lined pan. Pop this in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. You know, enough time to snuggle or kiss or do 7 minutes in heaven 2 times. Get in there. Clean your workstation. Now it's time to make the whipped cream. So 1 cup of heavy whipping cream in your bowl, a little whisk, a bicep. I mean, if you don't have one, it's fine. But you know, speaking of, a good friend of mine once told me this joke. What do you call a cow that's into BDSM? Wait. Whipped cream, baby. Ding, zinger. I whip my hair back and forth. Let's do this. So 1 cup, here we go. Takes about, in my memory, it took like 5 minutes before. Come on, cramp.
Must go faster.
Yep, we got whipped cream, folks. Daddy brought it to you. 2/3, where's the half, honey? Here we go, found it. Now that you've made your whipped cream, you're gonna do 1/2 cup of your semi-sweet chocolate chips. Anybody else obsessed with Friends like I am? Does anybody remember when Monica and Chandler were getting married and Phoebe gifted Monica and Chandler 1 cookie from her great-grandmother's cookie recipe?
My grandmother said she got the recipe from her grandmother.
Grandmother got it from her great-grandmother, Nestlé Tollhouse.
What was her name?
Nestlé Tollhouse.
Nestle Toll House?
Nestle Toll House?
1/2 cup exactly of hot heavy cream. Whipping cream, ultra pasteurized. Almost makes me feel a little nauseous. Pasteurized. Just, I don't know, don't like the word. It's like moist, don't like it. See, I didn't do exact. Heat up, baby. I'm eating like I'm married still. Well, actually, I still am technically. Oh! All right, while we wait for the heavy cream to heat up, let's tell some puns. Why was the Thanksgiving soup so expensive? Because it had 24 carrots. What instrument does a turkey play? The drumsticks. Zinger! My heavy whipping cream is hot. Look at that. Do your job. Make my life better, you little Make your ganache. Okay. Oh! No! My eyes deceived me. Back in. It's not 15 minutes. It's not 15 minutes. Dating advice over ice cream. Like, do you hook up on first dates? No, not unless you want to see them and ever want to see them again. If it starts as a hookup, fine. But if you go to dinner on a date and you hook up that night, it's kind of like, I got all that for some chicken parmesan? That means everybody can have the whole kit and caboodle for a little chicken parm. I don't want it. So one of my friends, when he eats chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream, he collects all of the cookie dough, saves it to the end. Do you guys do that too? I don't. I just shovel it and I huff it into my mouth. It's like an explosion. I'm afraid to check the oven. I don't even want to. I don't think it hardened in 10 minutes. It's getting thicker, but it's not solid. Okay, so our friend lied. It's not 15 minutes. It's about 30.
11 minutes later.
Say a prayer if you believe in the power of prayer, honey. Oh God! Yeah, see, there's just a little bit left on there, which means it's good. You're doing okay, sweetie. But you know this is gonna melt the whipped cream. While we let that cool off in the freezer, we're gonna try our second viral recipe.
I was just told that Disaronno and Corona taste like Dr. Pepper.
I don't believe it, just for the record. I'm gonna bet $100 because I'm a connoisseur of all things soda. I do love me a Diet Dr. Pepper moment, although I just read an article that diet sodas make you bloat. If you add some of this to a Corona, it tastes allegedly like Dr. Pepper. I don't believe it. Coronas aren't twist tops, are they?
You serious?
I'm not a beer drinker, but when in Rome, one for the homies.
What a waste.
There we go.
May or may not be my first Corona.
I ain't gonna lie to you. It's actually not bad. Back to business. It explodes. That's like the hack. All right, mix around.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Uh-oh, I think it might be right. Yeah.
Oh my God.
It tastes like Dr. Pepper. Out of the freezer. Bam! Homemade whipped cream. Check. Spread that on top. Get it all over. So now you do your homemade ganache. Heat it up again. Okay. All right, so let's try this. Let's get a nice little, ooh, oh. Oh my God, oh my God. In my day, we'd say, it's all that in a bag of chips.
You all that in a bag of chips.
Now for the last hack, we're gonna do my tried and true. It's one of my favorite desserts. It's an affogato, but apparently this is a hack.
Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity. Cause I love you for...
Scoop, eat, pray, love all day. Honey, dessert's coming right up. I'll be right there. Now, listen, you eat it with a spoon typically, but since it's in a fancy glass, I would sip it, but yeah, it's like affogato. I don't understand why the kids are doing this as a hack now. This is, come on, I'll take you to Italy with me. Who wants to go? Comment below. Well, I hope you had fun with us today. I'm happy to be back doing the full recipes again. I don't know what they were trying to get me to do. They were having me do like trapeze and stuff. Like, it didn't make sense. They were like, go hang out by the pool and hang upside down and make a recipe. I'm like, no. But salud. Oh, that's actually a good drink. Anyways, so if you enjoyed yourself, I haven't said that in a long time, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, but DM me. I've made a lot of friends off these DMs, I'm not even gonna lie to you. If you make anything that I made today, any hacks that I tried, obviously tag me, share, send it to me. I wanna see what it's all about. Especially the brownie situation, so I'm curious. I think that could be fun. That can also be really cute if you made them in little cups like this, I think. Anyways, for the holidays, could be cute. So I enjoyed ya, I appreciate ya, and I love ya. Mucho. Bye.